So in order for us to identify if that company is under transnational and multinational corporation, we should always remember that when we talk about a multinational corporation, these are the corporation. Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Ikaw ba ay nahihirapang intindihin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng multinational corporation or nagkakaroon ka ng confusion kung ano ba ang difference ng transnational corporation and multinational corporations? Okay, so don't worry because I will be giving you some of the characteristics of a multinational corporation in order for you to have an idea kung ano ba talaga ang function nila sa community and especially to globalization and also to economy of a country. Kung ano ba talaga ang ginagawa ng isang multinational corporation. Okay? So if you are ready, then let's start.
So when we say multinational corporation, this word came from the root word multi that means many and national that means state. Okay, and also multinational corporation can operate in several countries.
So pareho lang sila sa transnational corporation that they can operate in several countries. They have the office or they have the main office, but they also have several franchise in different countries. Okay? So in order for us to identify if that company is under transnational and multinational corporation, we should always remember that when we talk about a multinational corporation, these are the corporations that has a centralized management system. They also have their main office. So, ano ang pagkakaiba nila sa transnational company? Okay, so si transnational company, wala silang centralized management system. Whereas sa multinational company, meron silang centralized office or meron talaga silang main headquarter kung saan lahat ng policies ay nagde-derive. Okay? So let's say for example, the Jollibee. So since Jollibee is one of the example of a multinational corporation, so lahat ng mga policies ng Jollibee or lahat ng mga ipinapatupad sa iba't ibang bansa ay dapat manggaling sa central office. For example, kung ang central office or central headquarter ng Jollibee ay sa United States, okay, so dapat lahat ng policy manggagaling doon sa United States. So kung ang franchise dito sa Pilipinas ng Jollibee, gusto nilang meron silang gusto or may issue dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So, ang magse-settle, ang magbibigay ng final decision sa settlement ng issue ay sa United States since they have a centralized management system. Okay? So, yan ang multinational corporation. And here are some of the examples of the multinational corporation. So, we have here P&G, Unilever, Xerox, Thales, Baxter, HP, Citibank, Jollibee, and many more. So those are the examples of a multinational corporation. Ibig sabihin, meron silang centralized management system. Okay, so that is the main difference between the transnational company and the multinational corporation. So, magkapareho lang, similar, parang slightly similar lang ang transnational since they are both international corporation. However, when it comes to the management system or the decision making of both companies, doon sila nagkakaiba. Okay? So tulad ng sinabi natin kanina, merong centralized management system ang multinational corporation. Sa transnational corporation, wala silang national management or hindi centralized ang management system nila. Okay, so that's all, and I hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on my next video uploads every week. And by the way, if you want to know more about transnational company, you can click this link here, and it will direct you to the video tutorial regarding that topic. Okay, so goodbye everyone.